Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things. I also like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review food all around the world. Just a quick disclaimer, actually a couple of quick disclaimers. It is my birthday month, so we'll see how uploads go. Also, we'll be leaving for Vegas next week, so make sure you keep an eye open for those vlogs to go up. Also, there is a giveaway going on, and I will link that down below. Today I have for you ModaBox. This is a box that is styled out of New York City. They do theirs a little different. They do what they call a deposit instead of a styling fee, and it depends on what tier you want to do on how much they charge you for a deposit. So I do the premier tier, which is a $200 deposit. But they put the $200 on hold, you do your shopping. If you spend the whole $200, great. If you don't, whatever you don't spend is refunded to you. If I have an affiliate link, I will post that down below. I actually have not looked into it much to see what an affiliate link might get for you, but that will be down below if you would like to use it. Alright, let's go ahead and open up ModaBox. So we open it up, and it says, "The world is your runway." It all starts here, and it's really prettily packaged, and it has a sticker on it that says, "Hello, Monica, specially styled for you." And then on the inside, it does come with a pamphlet. It tells you on the back how it works. I'll throw a picture up of that. It also has a little note from my stylist. It says, "Hello, Monica. It was a pleasure to style another ModaBox for you. Patrizia," or Patsy, but her name is Patrizia. And then you get 2 invoices, one for you to keep and one that you have to send back. With the things that you don't keep, you have to send it back. And you have to check on the little boxes what you kept and stuff like that. And so I will give you a close-up picture of that and post it somewhere up here. Alright, let's get into this box. Here we have a dotted strappy dress by the brand Likely in a size 8 for $99. We also have by Studio One a floral and plaid cropped jacket in a size 6 for $68. I think that this is a cute outfit together. However, the dress is just way too tight across my breasts. We got it zipped once, but then we had to take it down to straighten the dress out and couldn't get it zipped a second time. I think the dress is so cute. If it fit, I would definitely keep this, but since it doesn't, I won't. The jacket is a 3/4 sleeve, and it has these cute little bow details. It has a nice floral print. I don't think it's too much, but it does have shoulder pads. I already have super broad shoulders, so shoulder pads just won't work for me. Here we have a ruffled halter dress by Likely in a size 8 in the color Emerald for $88. And we also have the Donna Karan beaded ankle strap sandals in a 7.5 in pewter for $149. I really like this outfit. I think the dress is pretty. I think that it flatters my figure. I love the coloring on it. I just think it's really cute, and I am absolutely in love with these shoes. So these are both going to go in the maybe pile, but I'm going to probably say yes to both of these. So here we have a contour trim long jacket in a size small by Rambler's Way for $150. We also have Guess LA embellished halter dress in a size 6 for $160. And we also have XOXO heeled lattice sandals in a 7.5 for $79. I appreciate what is going on here. The jacket, however, is too small in the upper arms. I have pretty wide shoulders, I have pretty big upper arms, and so that is just too small. This dress, I really do like this dress. I think it's beautiful, it fits nicely. It will go in the maybe pile. We'll have to see, but I do love the beading detail that it has and the mesh detail that it adds. These shoes are okay, they aren't my favorite. I don't think I would ever wear them, so I will send those back. So here we have a striped wrap dress. The brand is Micken in a size large for $58, which I think may have been a mishap because I don't wear a large. And then we also have a colored denim jacket in a size small by Max Jeans for $98. The denim jacket is cute, it's just not really my style, and the dress is way too big. I mean, it's cute. I don't think that I would buy it even if it did fit me. It's just not really my style, but it's just way too big everywhere. I would just completely fall out of it. So I have decided, and I will put pictures up in the corners to remind you what I am keeping, but I am keeping the ruffled halter dress by Likely in a size 8 in the color Emerald for $88. I really love this dress. It was just really pretty. I am keeping the Donna Karan beaded ankle strap sandals in pewter for $149. And I am also keeping the embellished halter dress in a size 6 for $160. I feel like these dresses are exactly what I'm looking for. These shoes, I absolutely love the shoes, but they're exactly what I'm looking for Vegas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.